Good morning. Welcome to Key Concept 1, Target A. For the first part of the lesson, we are going to talk about how I can label parts of an equation using definitions. So we have a couple of definitions of words that we need to define that are going to come up a lot in this unit. The first word that we're going to define is expression. What an expression is a mathematical phrase, like a sentence. Just it has numbers and other things, and it doesn't have to contain numbers, 1, 2, 7, 10, -5, 0.2, things like that. It can contain variables like A, B, C, X, Y, different letters that represent numbers. And the last thing that an expression contains is operators, which is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, which I should write out. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. That's an expression. At the very bottom of this page here, I have kind of an example of something that you would see in a math class. And there are two expressions here. There is this thing on the left. Oops, let me erase that. That thing, the 10x cubed plus 3 to the power 4 minus 12x. This is an expression. And then so is this 18 plus x squared. So both of these are expressions. The next vocabulary word we have is equation. What an equation is, it is setting two expressions equal to one another with the symbol, but you know this symbol, the equal sign. So this entire thing is an equation. It has two expressions, and the big important thing is that they're equal to one another with that symbol right there. That is what gives us away that we have an equation, not just a big expression. Okay, the next thing we have is a term. So a term is either a number, it is a variable, or it is a number being multiplied, a variable. And terms are separated by plus or minus, so addition or subtraction. And the thing to know about terms is that there can be multiple in an expression. Going back to this example here, I'm going to highlight all the terms in blue. So this, that is a term, that is a term, that is a term, that is a term, and that is a term. So all of these are terms. Hard to make S's. Okay, the next word we have is coefficient. Coefficient is a number being multiplied to a variable. Just a number in front of a variable. So if you look again at this that we have, you have 10, 12, and there's actually a sneaky hidden 1 right here. That'll be the end of this video. There will be another one to follow up with the rest of the vocabulary.